Just stand still, Jensen, because I think they get scared when you run.
Oh my god.
What are they?
They are chipmunks, and I just saw they are eating a yellow plant. They're starting growing. They're eating them before they even ready to talk.
Yeah. When they stand still, they're very good at camouflage, aren't they? So, there's some there in that pile of rocks.
Yeah, and there's some there in
Yeah.
there.
And if we keep going, we'll see even more up the mountain. That's a volcano.
And that is really cool. Oh, I can see one.
Hello.
You're being really careful. Oh, I did smell that. That's it.
That one jumped.
4, 5.
Wow, they're so sprightly. Oh, he looks like a meerkat, that one.
Yeah.
Oh, can you hear them squeaking?
They're acting like. Oh man, there's one behind you.
Oh, hello.
No, right there.
Why did the chipmunk cross the road to smell Mummy's smelly toes?
That was a thing. That was You got to be careful. There are big birds out here. They might bite you.
Yeah, there are some birds of prey out there, aren't there? That was words.
Oh my god. It doesn't look it. Oh my.
Yeah, I think it's a chipmunk. Look at that one.